welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda, and if you love home decor, then you're in the right place. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Today I'm bringing you guys yet another huge home decor haul from Homegoods and Target, and a little bit of shop with me, so keep on watching.
It feels like I pretend, keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. As my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack, just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Okay, but of course, before we get started, make sure you join my YouTube family if you just stumbled upon my channel and you love hauls and decorate with me and home tours and just minimal, modern, neutral, beautiful home decor. Join my YouTube family, turn on the notification bell button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and give this video a huge thumbs up. You guys, I know I'm hitting you back and forth with these hauls, but there's just so many good stuff right now in the stores that I can't help myself. Every time I go in, I come back with something. Yeah, I know. But let me go ahead and show you guys some of the things that I did see at Homegoods and Target. Let's go ahead and jump right in. I always make my way to the home decor section first. Let's see what we find. Oh my goodness. Nope. Not the section to be in. Let's keep going. Everybody talk about these. Let's see how much they are. Okay, it doesn't have a price tag. How much is she? $39.99. Ooh, they're heavy, so they're pretty good quality. They have a few here at my location. Let me see that one there. Ooh, you guys know that I absolutely love these. So I made my way to Target. Oh my gosh, look! That looks just like the one from Homegoods. And this one's from Project 62. Oh my god, this one's nice too. Ooh. You guys are gonna see this guy in a little bit. I already purchased it a few days ago. I absolutely love it. So if you guys can still find it at Target. These are cute. These give me very RH vibes. $15, but I don't have any gold like this, so I don't want to start mixing too much gold. I want to keep it very minimal, but those are nice. I rave about the Casa collection so much, even on my Instagram, which if you guys don't follow me, go follow me. I always show you guys sneak peeks of the things that I picked up before I show it here on my YouTube, and I am obsessed. This is my favorite scent, the Clarity scent. I've heard a lot of good things about Harmony as well, but I'm sticking to Clarity. I like the aesthetic, I like the smell. So good. Recommend, highly recommend. Oh wait, 50. Okay, she's $50. She's cute. Okay, so you guys saw they have so much good finds. I was actually able to find a lot of goodies for my home, which I want to go ahead and jump right in and show you guys all of the good stuff that I found. So, starting with Target. Let's start with Target because Target is just the place to be right now, okay? You have to make your way to Target. You have to go check out all of the good and new stuff that they are putting out right now for home decor. Like, I cannot deal. I mentioned before to you guys that I am in the process of updating my home. I'm adding actually a lot of gold. I'm excited for change. I'm excited for the way that it's turning out. Like, you guys can see a little sneak peek behind me right there of some of the changes that I've already made, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the final look. So I want to show you guys the pieces that I'm incorporating into my home, starting off with Target. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this right here. This big bowl, you guys probably already saw it on my Instagram. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. I always give you guys a little sneak peek of things that I get first on Instagram stories, and then you guys come and see it on my YouTube. But I wanted to get something like this first off because this is a huge resto dupe, okay? I see gold bowls in their showrooms all the time. So I really wanted to pick up a really nice, good quality bowl. This is from Threshold. It is $25. They actually have another bowl also that it's much more like tall. It's a taller version of it, and it's a little bit on the chubbier side as to where this one is more flat. And I actually prefer this look more than the other one. Like I said, I've seen something very similar at Restoration Hardware, and these are actually going on top of my bookshelves, which you guys will get to see very soon as well. Everything will be linked down below. So if you guys are like me and you're a huge lover of RH, then make your way to Target and pick this bowl up. I promise you guys will absolutely love it. Moving on to my next item, staying within the gold, you know, aesthetic here, because like I said, we're incorporating a lot more gold. This guy. First of all, I don't know where this love for lamps, it's taken over me recently. I don't know where it came from, and I'm not mad about it, okay? You guys loved the lamps that I picked up from Homegoods. If you guys did not catch my latest Homegoods haul, go check that one out. Look at this one. Oh, chic, chic, chic. Isn't she chic? I am so happy I found it at Target. It is part of the Project 62 line. It is an LED task lamp, and I'm trying to find the price for you guys. I want to say it was around $30, $40, something like that. You guys saw it earlier in my shop with me, but I will link it down below so you guys can know the exact price. I just love how chic it is, how minimal. You guys know we're all about minimalist here, and I absolutely love it. You could even play with this right here. You can kind of turn it to face towards your frame or a mirror if you have it, or you can just, you know, turn it downwards or just whatever. I absolutely love it. What really won me over was the gold, the minimal look to it, how chic it looks. Sticking with the gold, fam. This guy right here, you guys have probably also already seen this on my Instagram. This is another resto dupe. I've always seen that on Pinterest, or when I go into the Restoration Hardware stores, they use a big gold bowl in the center of their coffee tables, and I like it, or a tray, and I am so here for it. I absolutely love it. So this guy right here, I got it from Target. It is part of the Threshold collection, $34.99. It is a decorative tray. So I love it. I'm here for it. I love the gold tone to it. This guy is going in my coffee table, and just wait a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what's going on top of this guy. But yeah, I really like it. Like I said, gold, 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 gold. Make sure you guys are being careful though when you are shopping for gold. I cannot stress that enough. I feel like if you don't do gold right, it looks very cheap and tacky. So I'm being very selective with the pieces that I'm bringing into my living room and my dining room as far as gold accents. So please keep that in mind. Don't just go off and buy anything gold, okay? Just pay attention to what you're buying. Like, I'm not even kidding, guys. These pieces that I'm showing you are probably the only pieces of gold that I'm going to be adding. Nothing more. Everything else is still a very aesthetic white and just earthy tones, black, and you guys get the vibe. I just don't want to do too much gold, but I want to do just enough. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Okay, and then next up from Target, I've talked about these guys here on my channel. If you're an OG and you've been following me for quite some time, you guys remember that I bought these on one of my first Target hauls when I first moved in. I love them and I still love them, and they brought them back in stock, and it's just a clear trash bin that you can put in your guest bathroom or your bathroom. I love the aesthetic of it, and yeah, it's just a trash bin, nothing exciting. Oh, it's actually, no price on it, but I'll link it down below for you guys. I know it was really, really cheap. I think it was like $5, so yeah, super cheap. Next up from Target. So I was actually already walking out, and I don't need candles, you guys. I have so many candles. I'm still burning through my holiday candles, but I just couldn't help myself. I saw this guy right here. Look. Ooh, how cute is it? And it is my ultimate favorite scent, which is eucalyptus. You guys know I love a eucalyptus scent. It smells so good. Neroli eucalyptus made with essential oils. It just smells so good. Eucalyptus is probably like my favorite scent ever, and I'm obsessed with it. The aesthetic is really cute too. It's like a really pretty like nude tone. Where is this guy gonna go? I have no idea, but I just want to burn him and put him anywhere in my home. Okay, last but certainly not least, I have talked a lot about Casa Luna here on my channel. I love anything and everything Casa Luna, you guys. I'm not kidding. Like, I absolutely love it. I actually want to go and pick up the entire bed set for my bed, but not anytime soon. I'm obsessed with them. And so I picked up a couple of pieces. You guys saw that I raved about the bedroom spray. Clarity is my ultimate favorite scent. They have a few scents that you can choose from, and I highly recommend Clarity. And so I picked up the candle, which I've already burned, so excuse the aesthetic of it, but you guys can see I'm obsessed with it. The only thing that I will say, when you are burning this candle, it is so strong, which is a good thing. You're getting your money's worth, but it's just so strong to the point that it can give you a headache. So I highly recommend you put it in a big space, maybe your living room, your kitchen. I had actually put it in my bedroom and it was so strong. Like the scent was so strong. And even though my bedroom is pretty big, the scent was just overpowering. So I had to move it to the living room area and I loved it so much more out here. So highly recommend it. I also picked up this guy, I already took it out of the box, but I'm gonna show you guys the box. So I picked up the little reed diffuser to go into my restroom. I already opened it up. I couldn't wait, I was too excited. This is it right here. Look how cute this is. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, go follow me on TikTok. I actually showed you guys how I decorated my little shelves that I have in my bathroom, my guest bathroom, and I have a lot of my Casa products in there. It smells so good, you guys. I highly recommend you go and pick yourself up some of these pieces for your home. Okay, so that is it for Target. We're gonna go ahead and move on to HomeGoods. So HomeGoods is just everything right now. Every time I go in there, I tend to find something that I really like. And so I want to start off with the most obvious because I actually picked this up a few days ago. So going back to Restoration Hardware, I get a lot of my inspiration from them, and so I really wanted to make a drastic change in my living room area. I wanted something to just look super different and give me that resto vibe that I want. Although I love how my living room turned out, I feel like it could look better, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing as I'm making these changes, and of course showing you guys to give you guys all the inspo if you love resto like me. So you guys can see right there a little sneak peek of this frame that I picked up. It's already hung up on my wall and everything, but here it is, a little close-up of it. Oh, look how cute this is. Okay, you guys know Restoration Hardware does art pieces that look very similar to these, except those range hundreds and hundreds of dollars, like crazy. Make sure you guys go and check out my girl Kiva. She does amazing DIY projects. I can't do that, so I have to make sure I find something very similar to what I want. And this was dead on similar to what I was looking for. Okay, I absolutely love it. You can find these at HomeGoods. They come in a packet of 3. So if you guys know the resto vibes, and you guys might have an idea of what I'm doing right here behind me. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that home tour video really soon. But yeah, I really like the minimal look to it. Again, the aesthetic, the colors, very Restoration Hardware vibes. Always go to the art section, you guys, at HomeGoods. They have really beautiful pieces, and then they have some pieces that are just very ugh. But make sure you guys find pieces like this to give you that resto vibe. Okay, next up, you guys have probably seen these guys everywhere. When I saw this on someone's story, I was like, I gotta make my way to HomeGoods because I have to have that piece in my home. Okay, and it is this guy right here. Oh, I love it so much. I was actually particularly looking for David, but I couldn't find him. I did find one, but it was broken. And so I went with this guy. I really like him. Okay, he kind of does look like David, but it's not David. And I just love the aesthetic. You guys know that you can use these for so many things. You can use it as home decor. I actually love to put jewelry on these guys too. Put them in my vanity. I have a little one in my nightstand. I have a bigger one out in my dining room area. And then this guy, I'm not sure if he's gonna go in my bedroom or if he's gonna go in the living room. Either way, I know he's gonna look gorgeous wherever I put him. These guys are heavy, you guys. Like, I'm not kidding. If you see these, when you go to the store, pick it up. It is so heavy. So it is $39.99, and they had a few to choose from, but again, this is the one that I went with. I have a very pretty one linked on my Amazon storefront, which if you guys have not checked it out, go check it out. That one was way lighter than this one, and I just love the aesthetic of these statues. Like, I'm just obsessed with it. I'm here for, you know, all sorts of sculptures. I love it, and so that was a really great find. Make your way to HomeGoods and go pick yourself up one. I promise you. Okay, last but not least, I saved the best for last because you guys, this was a steal, okay? You go to Restoration Hardware and you see nothing but huge, gigantic crystals, okay? And I remember every time that I go in there, I'm like, I'm not gonna buy this because obviously it's like so much money. And so every time I go to HomeGoods, they cost up to hundreds of dollars, like sometimes 80, 70. I've even seen a crystal at HomeGoods for over $100. So I'm not gonna buy a crystal for over $100. And I don't know if the HomeGoods gods were with me that day, but I was looking around, shopping around, and I saw this guy right here. Ooh, look at this massive crystal. Oh my God, you guys. I can't even like, okay, let me see. Can you guys see it right there? Oh my gosh, okay, this is massive. It's like the size of my head. I don't know if you guys can see. It is so huge. Okay, now wait for it. Just wait for it. Look at that price tag, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see it. $24.99. $24? You can't beat that, okay? You just cannot. When I saw it, I immediately picked it up and put it in my cart. This guy is gonna be going on top of that gold tray. I most likely will put it on top of a book and on top of the gold tray. You guys just get the vibes, you get the vibes. This is just crazy. So you guys, I'm not kidding. When you go to HomeGoods, look through those shelves, okay? There might be some hidden gems, and crystals, geodes are just a beautiful piece to have in your home. They bring good vibes, they're super aesthetic. I am here for it, and I absolutely recommend you guys go to HomeGoods. And I cannot believe I found this guy. I am absolutely obsessed with the aesthetic of it. Whew. Such a good find. It was one of those HomeGoods trips, you guys know what I mean, like those really good HomeGoods trips. So make sure you make your way to HomeGoods and check out the crystals that they have in stock. All right, guys. And that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I was actually so excited to share this haul with you guys because I am obsessed with each and every single one of these pieces. Like, I feel like they're so my aesthetic. If you're looking to have that very modern, chic, yet minimal home that screams resto vibes, you have to make your way to Target. You have to make your way to HomeGoods, you guys. They have the best things right now. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Hit the notification bell button once again so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And join my YouTube family if you're not subscribed. Let me know down below what was your favorite piece. Like, I mean, these are all good finds, guys. Let me know what was your favorite piece down below. Make sure you guys stay safe, and I'll catch you all on my next video. Bye.